Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of this particular phone, the Nothing Phone 1. And I have this particular phone in black color, and let us just remove and show you what else we get in the box. And Nothing have done a great work when it comes to design of this. I've already opened this by peeling this particular section off, and here is the phone guys, and which is in black color, which I really like. I think the black really looks good, and let us just check out this awesome SIM card ejector tool, which is just looking like a test tubes. And as you can see over here, and we get a type C to type C connector for charging and no power brick like Apple does. And let us just open it, and I hope the packaging is as good as the experience of this particular phone is like an iPhone, but unfortunately it's not guys, because it's a bit complicated to open it. Again, that is just my thought. And let us just check out how this particular phone looks. And if you see the design guys, it is mind-blowing, and it really looks fantastic. I think the design is the best part of this particular phone, because as you can see, you get all transparent phone, which is very rare in Android space. And as you can see, it just reminds me of the iPhone 12. I don't know why, and most of the people also will be commenting the same. And if you see the side profile guys, you have the nice subtle nothing branding, and you can see the wireless charging coil and the glyph LEDs, which makes this particular phone extremely unique. And it is very comfortable phone, I would say, in my first line. Also, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at the rate creativesoft, which would help my channel a lot. And this is a basic setup, which I won't be boring you all with other things. And I think Nothing have done a fantastic job guys, and especially delivering this particular phone. And previously in India, if you buy this, it was around something 35 to 36,000, but the price have really gone down. And one of my cousin have purchased this for the price range of 25,000, which is mind-blowing. And I don't think so for 25,000 there is any Android phone which gives you wireless charging and this awesome looking design. So as you can see, this is a glyph lighting guys, and it can be used especially while recording videos and all. And with certain ringtones and all, it just the various parts of this particular glyph lighting glows, and which is very unique I feel. And especially is used if someone is whom you are calling will be using it. And basically the interface is stock Android like a Pixel phone, which I really like it. There is no bloatware guys whatsoever, and I kind of like this particular phone. And especially one thing which I noticed is those uniform bezel, just like the iPhones. And I don't know why I'm comparing this with the iPhone, especially an Android phone, but I think the smoothness of this phone is one of the reasons to definitely consider over something like those Chinese counterparts. And I think these phones makes a really good deal for 25,000. So if you have a budget of 25,000, I have no problem in recommending this particular phone. And with the glyph lighting, I don't know whether it's a I don't know, I really don't have to say, because I haven't used this phone for a very long time, especially I won't be using. And camera is quite good guys, I really like the color reproduction of this particular phone, and also the switching between the cameras and the focusing. And as you can see, the video recording here is 4K but limited at 30 fps, which is a bummer in my case, because I was expecting 60 fps. But then again, it's a pretty good phone, but don't expect much from this. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic guys, whether you all are thinking of buying the Nothing Phone 1. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.